That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive.
Dog owners have lower risk of death, according to new study in scientific journal. That's the finding from a new Swedish study published on Friday in the journal Scientific Reports, which states that dog ownership is associated with a reduced risk for cardiovascular disease and death. You are likely to see more birthdays if you own a dog. The results were most robust in single people. For these individuals, dog ownership was linked to a 33% reduced risk of mortality from any cause. It was 11% for multiple-person households, compared to non-owners. Heart attack-related death was reduced by 36% for single people, compared to 15% for non-single. The research didn't look at whether more dogs equals additional longevity. The odds of having a heart attack at all were 11% lower in single dog owners. A very interesting finding in our study was that dog ownership was especially prominent as a protective factor in persons living alone, said study author Tove Fall, which is a group reported previously to be at higher risk of cardiovascular disease and death than those living in a multi-person household. Perhaps a dog may stand in as an important family member in the single households. Owners of hunting dogs like terriers were most protected from cardiovascular disease and death. People who live alone have been shown previously to be at a higher risk of cardiovascular death. The study looked at over 4 million Swedish individuals between the ages of 40 and 80. Some of the benefits may be due to the increased exercise and social interaction a person gets from walking a dog. If you want to live longer, then you should get a dog. We know that dog owners in general have a higher level of physical activity, which could be one explanation to the observed results. Other explanations include an increased well-being and social contacts, Ms. Fall said. Studies have previously shown owning a dog can help reduce health issues like asthma. People who live with dog also get some extra exposure to microbes. Previous studies have found reduced risk of certain health issues, like asthma and allergies, in kids who grow up with a dog. Owners of hunting breeds, including terriers, retrievers, and scent hounds, were most protected from cardiovascular disease and death. Dog owners may also live longer because they tend to get out more and exercise,